And here's the video of the laundry room, which opens to the 3-car garage. A lot of shelving, a lot of cabinetry, huge storage closet over here, lots of good shelving. Also has the ironing board that is hidden in a little closet here. There's also outlets for the electricity for the ironing board. And a utility sink. Top load washer. And then the dryer in the front load opens out to the 3-car garage. It has been treated. There are 3 separate doors, but one very large area with pull-down stairs. This was the headboard and footboard to the king-size bed that was in the master that the stager changed out. There is a double-sided garage here, and then there's also a door on the other side of these shelves here, which I know is difficult to see. So if you have a boat, you can pull it straight through without trying to back it in, which is very convenient. There is a door there that opens up to the side of the house, and a little kick-in area over there as well. So I know there's a lot of stuff in here. The glass tops are separated from the pieces of furniture they are with, the very large ladder back there. There is also a secondary dryer here because of the housekeeping staff coming and having to do so much laundry at one time. They put in a secondary dryer. But this is another elevated area. This blue thing here is the central vac system, the hot water heater, and that's one of the air handlers for one of the AC systems. All right.